Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we will discuss the packet tracer. Packet tracer is a powerful tool which is used for the simulation of the networks project. Now the Cisco has improved it. The Cisco has updated it to include the Internet of Things project in it. Now the Cisco packet tracer support to use different IoT devices and to create any type of project related to the Internet of Things. So now start discussions of the packet tracing. This is the network devices. When we click on the network devices, we can see that different type of routers, different type of switches, hubs, and also different type of wireless devices are shown. All these routers, all these switches, and all these hubs and the wireless devices are actually the Cisco devices which may be simulated here. These are the end devices. Actually we use the end devices to connect these devices with each other or to connect these devices with the internet by using different type of switches and routers. In the end devices we can see this is the end devices and the end devices. This is a home. In the home we may use different type of sensors and different type of actuators. For example, we may use window, we may use the cameras, we may use the lamp, we may use the speaker or gate, etc., which will be automatically controlled according to the environment change. This is the smart city. In the smart city, these are the different type of actuators and sensors which may be used. For example, this is the RFID, which is especially used for the frequency detection. And when you go to the supermarket and you want to buy something and then you put it into the your cart, when you put it into the cart, this object is detected from the superstore market and it is added to your memo. So the frequency detection application is used. This is the old car which will be used during the simulation to add the smoke to the environment. And this is the industrial zone, and in this industrial zone we will use different type of sensor. For example, this is the fire detector which will be used to detect the fire, and this is the wind detector which may be used to detect any type of wind, the speed of the wind into the environment. And IoT is especially used in the grid, power grid, so different types of power grid objects may be used in our future project. I'm clicking on the components, and when I click on the components, you can see this is the two components. The two boards are shown here. The one is the microcontroller, and the second one is the single board computer. The microcontroller is actually the device. It is, you can say, it is a small computer which has the limited functionality. It may get some inputs, and we will program it according to these inputs. We will impose some functionality, some restriction on these inputs, and according to that it will perform some outputs. So for the output we will attach some devices to it. And the small board computer is just like a microcontroller, but it will use its own RAM, processor. It will use also its own operating system to make smart decision. We will also be able to connect any type of monitor with it. We will be able to use it just like a computer, and it will be able to send alarm. It will be able to send email during a notification. And this is the these are the connections which may be used. If we are using the fast Ethernet connection, then we will use the straight cable, and we are going to connect any type of sensor with these boards. Then we will use the IoT custom cable, which is specially used to connect different devices to the control board. So here I'm going to the clicking on the control board. These are the actuators. These are the sensors. Sensor shows the input which will be given to the end board. For example, I am giving the motion sensor. This will be the input to the microcontrol unit. So according to the motion sensor, I want to get some output, and I want to get this output on the alarm, or I can get this output on the screen. Okay, so when I will connect these devices with each other, now these things are currently not supporting any fast Ethernet cable, and it will not also not be able to connect everything with the fast Ethernet cable. So we use this board to connect these automatically. We can it can be embedded in that. For example, we can put different cards. We can embed different type of cards in the microcontroller to read different type of sensor. So to connect these devices, I will use the custom IoT cable. And when I click on the smoke, it shows that it means this is the analog. Because this is the analog, then I will connect it with the analog input. Okay, I may get the data into the digital also. The D shows the digital and the E shows the analog. Okay, and when I click on the alarm, it is a digital, so I will connect it to the any digital port on the microcontroller, and so on. I may connect the LCD with the D1. So when you make these connection, make sure that you remember that you have connected the smoke sensor to the what pin you have connected. For example, here I have connected the smoke sensor with the A0. It means that it is connected to the A0, and when I will program the microcontroller unit, then I will convert the A0 analog 0 to the input devices, and after that I will read that to get data. And after that, this is the D0. Then I have to remember that I have connected the alarm onto the digital 0. So I will create the digital 0 as the output pin, and I will show alarm here as I get some detection on the smoke sensor. So same like the LCD, I will remember that I have connected the LCD and the D1. I will convert the D1 into the output pin, and according to the smoke sensor, I will program the microcontroller to perform some functions on the LCD. So let's click on the microcontroller unit. It will different type of specification. We may add different type of specifications. We are not changing its physical or any type of configuration, because currently in this situation we are not going to connect it to the network. When in the our next projects, when we will go to connect it to the network, we will use its physical